About this item compatible, the Filery compatible label tape replacement for DYMO D145013 label tapes, worked with DYMO LabelManager 100 110 120p 150 160 200 210d 220p 260 260p 280 300 350 350d 360d 400 420p 450 450d 500ts. DYMO label point 100 150 200 250 300 350 PNP, DYMO label writer 400 Duo, DYMO label writer 450 Duo, etc. Wide applicability. These label maker tapes are perfect for indoor and outdoor use, such as home, office, shop, warehouse, chemistry laboratory, schools, hotels, hospitals, etc. Easy to peel, split backing so that the backing can be easily peel and stick, no sticky residue remains when removed. Features: these compatible label replacement tapes for DYMO D1 are easy to install and peel, resistant to water, abrasion, corrosion, fade. Designed to stick to almost all clear, flat surface, which makes it durable even in harsh conditions. Package included, 5-pack label maker tape, 1/2 inch x 23, black on white. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item compatible, the Filery compatible label tape replacement for DYMO D145013 label tapes, worked with DYMO label